What is up? Welcome to Steel Mountain Moto. We are currently on our way to Port Elgin. For what?
Just for fun. It's Canada
Just for a ride. It's Canada Day. Tomorrow. So we're going to get a head start. We left our homes, Hamilton, Mississauga, Durham for this long-haired hippie over here. This is a new addition to the channel for this episode, which will be Ripsaw, aka Josh. So he's riding the new 2026 Ultra. I don't know. What's it got? It's got lowers, it's a street glide, it's got the tour pack, it's got all the goodies on it. It's what blue?
Blue Burst.
Blue Burst on black. It's a good looking ride. I don't know how nice it's going to be on a 45-degree day with no wind hitting you, but
He'll be the comfiest out of all of us, though.
definitely
Also the
most.
sweatiest. Definitely the sweatiest.
Yeah, we're all drenched in sweat. It's like a 37-degree day right now.
It's hot, hot, hot.
I'm
So
dying.
we're going to get riding. We're going to see what this gets up to. Tomorrow, you're going to have to see what our ride is all about. But we want to show you some of the secret ins and outs a couple hours from the city, and we're going to have some fun.
Let's get rolling.
Let's ride.
Oh, so floor, coffee gone cold, blue flame licking at the rusty mold, knuckles all busted, grease under my nail, late shift living on busted rails. I was born in a broke down bay, turning riches just to get away.
What's up? What are you doing?
Changing. My legs are getting destroyed. Got shorts.
So first off, boys and girls, do not wear shorts while you're riding a motorcycle. It's not good. But if you do wear shorts and you're out in the countryside like we have here, look at all these fields. Beautiful scenery, by the way. Beautiful sunset. But the challenge is you get pelted with this guy. You get pelted with a ton of bugs, especially when you're going past the dairy farms and everything. So we're gonna keep rocking, we're gonna keep rolling. We're probably halfway there. Let's just see how that goes. Peace.
License plates hanging like trophies on the wall. Everyone a story. I was born in a broke down place, turning riches just to get away. Chrome and smoke and the hard packed miles, running from the law and the lukewarm smile. If the engine screams, then my heart won't fail. I got freedom in the junkyard trail. Midnight rumble, headlights glow, yeah, map burned up, tattoo knuckles on a shaky wheel. Only thing certain is the way. 'Cause I was born in a broke down bay, turning riches just to get away. Chrome and smoke and the hard packed miles, running from the law and the lukewarm smile. If the engine screams, then my heart won't fail. I got freedom in the junkyard trail.
And I was brushing my hair, and he's like, not the hair, the brakes, man. And then
Okay, here we are. We're in Port Elgin, Ontario.
Port Elgin. Lots of straight roads to get here, but the scenery was actually really beautiful.
It was actually really nice, really, really nice. Straight roads. We got in some curves right when it started to get dark. We're here at the Travel Lodge. We're gonna hit up a place downtown Port Elgin, get a bite to eat.
Queen's Pub.
We're a little parched. We're gonna hit up Queen's Pub.
Parched? I'm starving.
Starvin' Marvin. So, yeah, we're gonna check into our room, drop off some stuff. Let's go check it out, shall we? Is this our room? Should be right ahead. We are.
Oh, yeah.
Who's got a card out?
Naked man?
Somebody already in the room?
Oh, 2 beds.
We're supposed to get 3.
Yeah.
All right, well, we got to go back and see her then. It's supposed to be a 3-bedroom, a 3-bedder. This is only 2.
All right.
All right, so let's not drop our stuff off here. Okay, you're walking down?
Yeah, I'll walk.
Start running.
Should we walk together? Look at this carpet. It is gorgeous. Nice burgundy.
This is straight out of Stephen King horror movie.
This is kind of like red rum carpets.
Yeah. Well, I'll take my bag if you're coming with.
Red rum. Where's your stuff? You don't have anything.
I came from work, man. I got nothing.
This is the beauty of
I brought a
impromptu
hairbrush and some
motorcycle rides.
So,
Where are we going?
I don't think I did yet.
Well, hopefully, like, we're right next to where we should be. Oh, we're going this way. Okay, so we're gonna shut the camera off for a quick second.
There you go, sweetheart.
Thank you very much.
74 it
You're the
is.
best.
Yep.
Thank you very much.
Another walk.
Another walk. Oh, you're giving the handoff, the secret handoff. See how we skipped?
Got excited.
Me too.
Skip to Maloo.
Okay, back down the hallway. Do we have to get you any toiletries tonight? You need anything? No, jeez, we're not going to brush teeth or anything. Okay. Just use a fork.
You guys can share.
Something. Yeah, you can share yours. From 73 to now 74. There's somebody in it? Nope.
Hello, hello.
Hello, hello. Oh,
Look at that.
Look at this. The master suite.
The cuck bed.
So you got a cuck chair and you got a couple cuck chairs
Oh,
and
double cucking.
a cuck bed. Okay, so look, see, we didn't even get 3 Tim Hortons over here. We got Kirkland's signature, we got Tim Hortons, but luckily, Scotty grabbed us 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Did you just pick your bed?
Yes.
You picked yours?
I guess.
This one's mine. Okay, we're gonna drop off our stuff. We're gonna hop back on the bikes. We're gonna hit up whatever that pub's called.
Queens?
Maybe somebody has to go pee. We don't know. We're gonna see how that goes. You guys okay if I don't wear my hat?
Baldy locks?
Does my hair look okay, guys? Yeah, just if you could stand beside me and just put it over top of my head. I used to be a ginger. Back in the day. Alan's, they have a menu till 11.
All right, kitchen's closed. No kitchen, no food.
Oh man, so that was a bust. No
That
food.
was unbelievable.
No food.
the place was bopping.
Kitchen closed at 10. Bopping for like a small town, yeah, bopping. There must have been at least 62 people in there. Right?
Including staff.
With staff, yeah. And then when I walked up to the counter, the guy that was serving the last guy, he just walked away and then finally came back to me. So I don't know what the deal is. Maybe it's because you're scary, Marcus.
Scary? It's because we ain't locals.
So we said we can just walk over if we want. It's called Allen's. Not Tim Hortons, but Allen's.
It's not that, whatever that
I would
says.
assume it's like right there, the place with the lights on.
Oh yeah, the big A.
Is there an A over there?
Yeah, big A.
All right. I'm going to put my hat on for this one, guys.
All right. Got tired of the baldiness?
Yeah, I want to really, represent Harley as a brand, Harley as a culture. This place better be good. We got to hop fences to get there.
Yeah, you getting okay, old timer?
I'm going to be all right. You guys might have to walk me back. Oh, it looked like it was locked.
Cheers to our first ride.
Whew, it's so hot outside.
Everything bad.
We are leaving Allen's. Thank
Thanks, you too.
Allen's Fireside Grill in Port Elgin.
Good food.
Good food. Good food. Good reviews?
5 out of 7.
5 out of 7. I've never heard of anybody doing a review out of 7 before. A little bunny rabbit over there. Maybe we should ask him.
Not a 6-7.
Not a 6-7. So yeah, decent place. We had to hit up Allen's because that was the only place left.
Yeah, with an open kitchen. So now we're gonna go hit up a bar.
Now we're gonna go to the bar and we're gonna see what's up. There's somebody in a apartment building that may or may not be naked in their window. Just gonna wait and see. No AC, so it's gotta be hot as balls in there. But anyway, we're on to whatever the bars we parked in front of before and walked into, and they told us their kitchen was closed, and now we're gonna go back over there and see what's up. But everything, like even Tim Hortons is closed. Everything's closed.
I've never
It's
seen
really
it close to
strange
Lord's.
coming out of the big city. Anyway,
For the Americans that don't know, it's like having a Dunkin' Donuts closed.
yeah.
Right? I don't
That's
know if
very
the
strange.
Dunkin' Donuts are 24/7, but our Tim Hortons is usually 24/7.
That is true. Anyway, we're gonna. Oh, look, there's some bikes here. They might just be ours, but we're gonna go check this place out again. It was kind of hopping when we walked in before, and we're gonna see if it's still hopping. But look at these gorgeous girls. Yeah, bikes are still there. Helmets are still there. We're good. All right, we're gonna go in and see what's up. Back to what's this place called?
Queens.
Glenn's?
Queens.
Queens. Close. Anyway, let's see what's up.
Queen Glen.
Cheers, fuckers.
Yeah.
Okay, Queens Bar and Grill. The Queens. What's the review? Shit.
Yeah, I mean,
Shit.
the vibe was good.
We walked
but
in. It was cool. We walked in. The guy's like, "Dude, place is closed." Hey,
kitchen's
secretly,
closed, yeah.
kitchen's closed. Secretly, there's a place down the street. So we went and we ate. So then we thought, you know what? Let's come back here and let's hang out and let's get a drink. So we got one round of drinks, and then what? You stood there for 20 minutes?
Probably, yeah, at least
20 minutes? Nothing.
Nothing. But
The Queens Bar and Grill.
all the locals getting served.
Shit. Okay, they could have taken all of our money, but they're shit. Service sucked, vibe sucked. Somebody
yeah.
puked on the ground. It's the only place that's open, so that's why everybody's here. Other
But
than that,
they
if
closed
there
at
was,
12.
I think if there was a second place open, everybody would be there.
Yeah.
Queens, you suck. Okay,
You're riled
Shit.
up about it, huh?
Garbage. Can't even get a drink at a bar. Ridiculous.
We got one.
1 out of 10.
single drink.
Peace out. That's your review. Don't come here.